When you guys sat down to say, listen, we want to partner up with somebody, what were the things you were looking for?
So we wanted a strategic buyer. So there's two types of buyers, strategic or equity. And there's a lot of equity buyers out there today and back in 15. And those are usually investment buyers. And the reason why we want a strategic buyer was twofold. Usually an equity buyer comes in and then there's another sale 5 or 6 years at most down the road. And for the employee's perspective from the Pegasus business, who the employees were family to us, we didn't want them to have that concern that the chain. Oh, here comes another sale. Who's our new owner going to be?
Mm-hmm.
So that was part of the reason for the strategic, and the other one was the synergy. We didn't want just a strategic buyer who was a manufacturer like Leggett and Platt. We wanted someone who could add value to us, either vertical integration or a big sales base like we do now, like we have, to help with the synergies of the business. So that was ground rule number one, strategic buyer. Ground rule number two, which was probably number one, was that we didn't want anybody in the Northeast. Didn't want the risk. We wanted someone who would hopefully leave us independent, but be part of a company. And if they're local and they're close, there's the opportunity to maybe merge locations and reduce redundancies. And so we wanted, as best as we could, to be somewhat independent, but obviously be part of someone as well. So it was a balancing act there. And then third, we really wanted someone who was financially strong, not that just was going to acquire us to show that they have additional revenue, but someone who's going to invest in the business. And Leggett, S&P 500 company, really, really financially strong, $7 billion market cap company. So we went from a small, privately held $15 million business to a publicly traded overnight $7 billion market cap. And I cut my teeth very quickly on how to manage a publicly traded company. And those were really our three ground rules, and Leggett checked every box.